even for the most data-savvy media and entertainment companies. It's a tall order to understand all your customer interactions. But wrangling all your customer data shouldn't require a massive time or IT investment. It should be automated, straightforward, and most of all, compliant. Adobe Experience Platform combines all your company's first, second, and third-party data from different sources to create a rich, real-time customer profile, so that every business unit in your organization can use this information to deliver experiences that make customers feel like your company truly understands their wants and needs, that they can trust you, and that the minutes they take from their day to click on an ad, open an email, or visit your website isn't time wasted. It's time well spent. With our experience data model, you can standardize and democratize data across your organization. When all your data speaks the same language, you can easily deploy it to new channels or use it to develop new applications that level up your customer experience. Whether a customer views content on your streaming service, downloads your mobile app, or uses a voice-enabled device to access their favorite shows. And thanks to the power of AI and machine learning, Experience Platform easily integrates with your company's existing technologies, including Adobe applications and external content management systems. No heavy lifting or hard coding required. That means more intelligent, seamless workflows for your marketing, sales, and product teams, developed in less time and with less effort by your IT team. And a single point of entry to manage data privacy that lets you strike a balance between delivering engaging customer experiences and meeting the demands of evolving privacy requirements, regulations, and internal governance policies. Adobe Experience Platform streamlines data management and governance for real-time customer intelligence, more control over your data, and a winning customer experience.